Here it is. In which stores?
Oh, we're going to the first door.
Wait a minute.
At the
Which way? Left or right?
Left. Okay, here we go. And do you have the money?
Sure.
Okay. So you hit the second button.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of
Second button. No. Next one. Yes.
You have selected the premium car wash. Please deposit $10.
You did it. Here we go, Daniel. Green light.
With
Window up.
receipt, press refund now.
Window. Not yet. No.
Green light. Look.
Thank you for your purchase.
Go.
To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Here we go.
It's a Saber.
On the carriage wash.
Nice.
Welcome.
Welcome. Ooh, this got glow in the dark arms. There you go. Stop. Yes. Stop.
Park.
Park. Got it.
Let's start.
Let's start. South Elgin, Illinois. Look at this. He's sizing us up. It's going to hit us with these fluorescent
Pre-soak.
colored soap. I think we're going to glow in the dark when we get out of here.
First pre-soak.
First pre-soak. That's what it says over there on the light. It says pre-soak. How's it going, Daniel?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
You're on the camera.
Yes.
There you are.
Mm-hmm. Swish, swish. You.
I don't know how to swish.
Go, stop, and back up.
Let's see what it says next. Says that we're going to cross over each other. High pressure rinse.
Rinse. Left.
Here it comes. Whoa! That's high pressure, all right.
Mm-hmm.
It's going all the way around the back. Gotta clean this Dodge Journey, right, Daniel?
Yes. Right.
And on the right side?
Mm-hmm.
The back window. There it comes.
What do you think, Owen?
Owen's not here. Luca and Ethan. Owen's at home. Owen would like it if he was here. But he's not here.
Let's see.
Next is
Trouble foam.
protectant.
Colors make a rainbow.
Oh, it sure does.
Heck. Makes rainbow like Lucky Charms.
Magically delicious car wash.
What do you think?
I think it's delicious. Part of
High
a good
pressure rinse.
part of a good breakfast.
It's a Lucky Charms milkshake.
Yeah.
The mix up mushrooms.
We'll mix up marshmallows, that's right.
Maybe a high pressure wash.
What do you get Lucky Charms milkshake? Is that Burger King?
Mm-hmm. That is a high pressure
It's
rinse.
a high pressure rinse. Let me see. It sure is. It's rinse, not a wash.
No.
Gotta wash off the Lucky Charms.
Spot free rinse.
Ooh.
Smells pretty.
I'm sure glad we flew all the way to Illinois for this.
Mm-hmm. Go, stop, and back up. Sure pretty.
Hey, look
Oh,
at that.
And open doors. Oh. It's a Pernilla dryer.
So, go?
Go.
Look at that dryer up there in the ceiling. Oh, it's on the sides, too. Look at that. Woohoo! It's like a wind tunnel.
Then no dryer time.
Yeah, when's the dryer time?
Whoa.
The dryer tooted. Wow, that was an awesome car wash. Thank you for watching.